Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be trying out Lana's Coachella 2024 makeup look. I really love kind of the soft golden look of this makeup. I start this look by putting down some translucent powder. And then on top of that, I'm using a very light peach and putting a wash of this all over the crease area. Next, using the Modern Renaissance palette for the burnt orange shade and putting this in the crease. I'm making sure to go on the inner part as well. She has a very rounded look to this makeup. Then using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, I'm going to be using the kind of orangey brown shade and putting that on the outer corners and the crease. Then using the Urban Decay Naked palette, I'm going to be using the Half Baked, which is a very light sparkly gold, and putting this on the lid and the inner corners. Then I used a little bit of a darker brown from the Warrior 2 palette and put that in the outer corners. Next, I created a very thin eyeliner wing. I took the darker brown shade and went underneath the eye. Then using white eyeliner in my waterline, I then went over the top lashes with some mascara, and I will top these later with some false lashes. Here I'm using a pink blush high up on the cheekbone. Then I'm using a kind of peachy bronze color over top of that. She has a very glowy kind of golden look to her. Then I'm using a little bit of highlighter on the cheekbones as well. Then I tried to match the lipstick as close as possible. I didn't have exactly the right shade of lip liner, so it came out a little bit darker. So this completes the recreation of her Coachella look. I really love the glowy golden look of this. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.